Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm about to upload this video. I'm not even really sure the name of the song. I saw it on an old black exploitation film. But when she sang the song, it kind of got to me, and how I've been feeling this week, losing my friend Gusty. I'm sure as many of us feeling. It actually kind of made me feel like there's hope. So I'm gonna go ahead and bang out a little bit of the song for y'all. When your mind is burning and you don't know where to turn, look for the answer. You'll find it in Him. He'll move mountains you've been trying to climb. Look for the answer. You'll find it in Him. I hope y'all have a good day.